Meaning of HRT.
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 HRT. HRT stands for hormone replacement therapy, which is a medical treatment used to alleviate symptoms of menopause in women. Menopause is characterized by a decrease in estrogen levels in the body, which can lead to hot flashes, mood swings, and vaginal dryness. HRT involves replacing the lost hormones with synthetic estrogen and progesterone. Although it is effective in treating menopausal symptoms, HRT has been linked to an increased risk of breast cancer and cardiovascular disease. Overall, HRT should be carefully considered and prescribed by a qualified healthcare professional on a case-by-case basis.